squirrel is up there actually taunting those dogs. He teases the hell out of them and gets them into a big old frenzy. I can't believe that. This bastard goes up and down as soon as I'm gonna get the pellet gun out and show him what it's all about. Can you believe that? Little sucker just up there, just a popping his tail. You got balls bigger than mine. Find my slingshot, I'll take care of your ass too. Pardon my French. He lives in his house, or one of them do. Some of them do. They stay in there now. He maybe guarding his home. You know what? He's not too damn afraid. He knows better not to go down there, but he's the closest closest minimum distance without getting bit. He's still letting me get close. That's amazing. He doesn't even see me. I could probably sneak up behind him and grab him by the tail. You all riled up, ain't you, squirrels? Where you fussing at, squirrel? You know I can get up there too, don't you? Oh, shit. You gonna stand me down too, huh? You gonna stand me down too, huh? You think I can't get to you? You are brave little shit. Fuss at him. Fuss at him. I used to have two pets just like you. What, you gonna bark me off too, huh? I'm gonna tell you what, you are of no fear. You fixing to have babies, ain't you? That's exactly what it is. Oh, I'm gonna find your baby. In the movie.